Welcome to my Larapinta As You've Never Seen It Before series of videos. This video is day 11. So day 11 I wake up to the most amazing sunrise at Counts Point. The colours and the beauty of that place are just undeniably beautiful. I left that place very reluctantly and headed off down to Serpentine Chalet. Which was a lovely little spot. I had a nice little camp under a young little ghost gum. Had a bit of a dip in the dam there, just to cool off and clean up, and really nice day. So yeah, sit back, enjoy this video, and if you like it and you want to see how I went on the subsequent days, press subscribe. Enjoy. Good morning, windy morning here at Counts Point. The sun's trying to get through these clouds. It's a little bit of a windy night. Not too bad. It was quite well sheltered with the with that wall there. But I have found is that if you wake up and it's windy, best thing to do is just pack everything up. I've got it all up on the best seat in the house up there. So you're not worried about everything blowing away. Otherwise, you're just constantly worrying about stuff disappearing into the wilderness. So that's just a little tip from me on that. I've just been looking at the maps and getting my bearings. Through there is Inalinga Pass, and that tip there is Mount Giles Lookout, and Mount Giles is over here. Sort of beyond that is Ormiston Pound, and then it's not the farthest distance mountain, but it's the middle distance one is Mount Sondor. Beyond that to the right is Mount Zeal. So I'm pretty sure that's correct. Anyway, that's 80 kilometres from here to the top of Mount Sondor. So reluctant to leave this place. It's so beautiful. Until next time. Okay, next part of today is to get down to Serpentine Chalet. Only a very short walk, less than 3 hours I think. So I'm going to rest for the rest of the day and maybe have a swim, look at the ochre pits. Let's get ready for a steep descent. As I just mentioned, really reluctant to leave this place. It's so beautiful and peaceful, and it's just everything about it is simply amazing. I mean, even it's sort of, I guess the lesser view is stunning. If that's a lesser view. Okay, and one of the things I hadn't quite realised is this point here is about 1,100 metres high, so about as high as the Blue Mountains. So yesterday I ascended a bit over 400 metres, and presumably going down 400 today. No wonder I found it a bit difficult. Anyway, let's head off. That's a nice little camping spot there. Very nice. Quite pleased with this spot. What I'm particularly pleased with is I'm sleeping underneath this beautiful ghost gum. Ghost gum's become my favourite gum tree, so yeah, I'm looking forward to looking up and staring at that in the middle of the night. So yeah, I'm about 30 metres from the trailhead. Obviously finished section 8 today, and the big section 9 tomorrow, or start of section 9. So the thing about section 9 is you've got 30 kilometres and theoretically no water, but at the moment there is some water at Waterfall Gorge, which is just before Mount Giles. So whether it's any good or not, we'll see, but I'm going to assume it's not, and obviously need to carry 2 days worth of water. Alright, I'm going to go and have a bit of a swim and rinse out these clothes, I think, and just freshen up a bit. just waiting for my dinner to finish boiling. So I'm having a mushroom thyme garlic spaghetti type thing, pasta from Strive Food. It's looking pretty good so far, I must say. There we go. Yeah, certainly. It was nice having a bit of a swim today, and I managed to rinse out my clothes as well. And so, start section 9 tomorrow, feeling pretty refreshed and clean. Yeah, really happy to be under this beautiful little ghost gum. Love these trees; they're just amazing. So yeah, quite a nice little spot away from the trailheads. I don't find the trailheads particularly romantic sort of camping spots, so it's nice to be able to sort of get away and at least feel your remote a little bit. Anyway, yeah, missing Counts Point. Yeah, that was such a beautiful spot. Anyway, tomorrow will be Giles Lookout. So yeah, really looking forward to getting up there and seeing some really good views. Anyway, I'll say goodnight now, because once I've had my dinner and a few pieces of chocolate, I'm straight to bed. Right, see you in the morning. Bye.